Framer publish button not working? Yeah, that's one of the most annoying issues, and especially when your site is ready to go live. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it fast. All right, first, click the publish button and look for any error message. I mean, Framer usually tells you exactly what's wrong, but it's easy to miss. Next, go to your site settings and make sure everything is filled out. Things like site name, homepage, and page structure are required before publishing. Now, check your design for broken components or missing elements. Yeah, even one small issue can block the publish button. If you're using CMS, make sure all required fields are filled and items are published. Empty fields can stop your site from going live. Okay, next, check your domain settings. If your custom domain isn't connected properly, the publish button might not work. And yeah, try refreshing the page or logging out and back in. Sometimes it's just a session glitch. If it's still stuck, clear your browser cache or switch to another browser. This can fix random bugs instantly. Last thing, try duplicating your project and publish the copy. I mean, this works surprisingly often. So yeah, that's how you fix the Framer publish button not working. One of these should get your site live in no time. If it helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.